Hi guys, today we're making Crockpot broccoli cheese yumminess. We're starting with a half a block. This is a 1 pound block of Velveeta, and then we've got frozen broccoli and evaporated milk. To that we're going to be adding cream of celery. If I can get it out of this. Ooh! Hey! That's never happened before. So got 1 can of cream of celery. Let's see if I can do that again. And we're gonna add a can of cream of mushroom soup. Oh, maybe that's the trick. Just need to be forceful. Teach them who's boss. Okay, so 1 can of cream of celery, 1 can of cream of mushroom, 1 bag of frozen broccoli, 1 container of evaporated milk, and a 1 pound brick of Velveeta. I'm gonna be adding some pepper, and you know, if you have the cap on there, you can like grind it with the cap on, and then that way you can actually see how much pepper you're gonna put in. Okay, so that's about a good tablespoon of pepper, and then we're gonna add about, I don't know, some arbitrary amount of onion powder. If you like it onion flavored, add more. We're gonna mix this all together. Oh, smells so good. And it's so easy. It's like such an easy little appetizer. This can actually be a full meal too. So once we have that combined, we are going to take a stick of butter. And then we're going to cut it into slices. Doesn't have to be a certain number, doesn't have to be the same width. It's all gonna end up in the same place. You're just slicing it because it's easier to work with. So once you have that sliced up, we're gonna dump it. Oh, 1 stayed. Into our crock pot. Just gonna kind of move this around so there's a little bit everywhere. And then this gets the lid put on it for how long? Like an hour on high. So we're gonna do an hour on high, and then we'll come back and we'll give this a stir. We'll be right back. Ooh, look. The butter's all melty, the cheese is all melty. Gonna give this a good stir. Get that cheese kind of broken up. And that butter kind of incorporated everywhere. Oh, this smells so good. Okay, once this is all mixed together, just kind of quick and easy like that, nothing super amazing. We are going to put the lid back on this and cook it for another hour. Ooh, yes, look, it looks just like, I don't know, store-bought broccoli cheddar soup. Although this isn't cheddar, this is Velveeta. But let's go ahead and do a little taste test. Get some in there. Take another little spoonful. Oh, that looks so good. And then I've got a little bit of shredded cheese. Just gonna add right on top. It's like one of those like broccoli soups you get at like a salad bar. Let's do a little taste test. That's impressively good. Please make this at home. Everybody's gonna be asking for seconds. They wanna put it in their thermos and take it to school the next day or to work. Yeah, definitely make this so good.